The rapidly spreading Ebola outbreak continues to spark concern, with suspected Ebola cases rising to more than 900 and over 220 suspected deaths recorded. A UN official said the WHO Director General would be traveling to Congo, where a critical aid shortage persists. The suspected infections and deaths have been reported across 3 eastern Congo provinces, including North and South Kivu. In fact, these are where armed groups continue to hinder access for the health workers. A WHO team in Bunia is rushing to complete a public health facility to treat suspected and confirmed Ebola cases. This as authorities struggle to contain a growing outbreak in eastern Congo. The initiative aims to train the residents to quickly deploy treatment infrastructure during future outbreaks.
We want to make this Ebola treatment center a referral center where patients can receive appropriate care and where we can truly ensure that people have access to quality treatment, thereby contributing to the reduction of mortality related to this disease.
In fact, a major breakthrough where Russia claimed to have developed a vaccine that might offer immunity against the rare strain driving the current outbreak. According to the WHO, the deadly Ebola outbreak currently has a case fatality rate under 25%. This is much lower than in other recent outbreaks since the outbreak was declared in Congo in mid-May. WHO has said states neighboring Congo are at great danger from Ebola and should act immediately to counter the deadly virus. Meanwhile, Congo ministers have called for a humanitarian corridor to combat the virus and its spread. Uganda has announced it is shutting the border with Congo temporarily in a bid to contain the Ebola outbreak that has hit its neighbor.
The only exceptions are for authorized Ebola response teams, the humanitarian operations, the food and cargo transportation, and security. But all these still will be under strict health screening and monitoring protocols across the border.
Other nations are also taking preventive measures. Thailand has imposed a 21-day quarantine order for travelers from Congo and Uganda, while Mexico tightens surveillance protocols with the US and Canada ahead of the 2026 World Cup.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.